Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. As you, I guess, could see, this is not where I generally am. I'm down here with my boy, Zach, who has, what is this? Walk me around.
A 2008 Subaru Outback NA, sadly, but it's slammed on Raceline coilovers. Outback Sport wheels that have been powder coated black. Clap the little fucking car, it works.
hey, it's a static car, that's all that matters. It's not bad. So it's your daily?
Yep.
And you said you're trying to get a Honda?
Trying to.
So today we are here because Zach is a professional detailer. We're mainly looking to get the interior addressed, but if he wants to spice anything more up, I am more than happy. And so you work for a dealership and you just professionally detail their cars.
Yeah, and then after hours of our business not being open, I detail people's cars for them. So.
Hell yeah. Look like you got a little M5 back there.
Yep, that's my boss's car.
It's not bad.
But I am also starting to kind of move into some other things with our business. I'm starting to do deals and do a lot more than just detailing.
Yeah.
But the goal is probably by the end of the year to at least have my own detail shop. So
Hell yeah.
probably gonna rent out one of these so I can, because his dad would probably rent me one for pretty fucking cheap.
Oh, so his dad owns the whole complex?
Yes, yep. So these ones, the ones up there, it's either wolf jizz or horse jizz or wolf semen. One of the two. Can't really remember. I don't order this shit, so I'm just told what to use and I use it.
Oh, by the way, if any of you are asking, yes, I know my steering wheel's not straight. My alignment's straight, but my steering wheel's not.
Okay.
Don't ask any questions. Home done alignment. I'm done with the detailing, but word on the street is he's got a pop crackle tune on the Focus. So we're gonna go get some clips of some flamey boys. Are we all riding with him or what are we doing?
We're all right.
Oh, this will be fun. So he's on 30, you said 36 Ks?
Yeah.
He's on 36 and I'm on 28. Then your springs aren't slack though, are they?
No, not at all.
So it's not as ghetto as mine is?
No, it's legit.
It's still just as rough though.
Yeah, if not worse.
He's already got the tunes bumping. So you've gotten how many tickets? Holy shit. How many tickets have you gotten in the period of time that you've owned this car?
Just for this car, if that might have been a car, Oof.
Not today, Piggy. I think you're good.
Why don't you just go up and get it over there?
And then he got pulled over for street racing last night.
Yeah. Drag racing. Didn't like that one.
Did not like it. It's so good. Damn. So he breaks O2 sensors like every time he spits a mad flame.
It's the light.
Appreciate it.
Of course.
Looks tits. We'll have content when this kid finally decides to go low.
Fuck you.
I think we're gonna end the video there. Thank you all for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Peace out.